Python Learning for Network Engineers. Learn network programmability and network automation using GNS3 and Python version 3. This course is based on Python 3. Want Python learning for network engineers, but not sure where to start? Well, this course will show you how you can start programming Cisco networks within 20 minutes. This course was created for network engineers. There are too many other Python courses out there that try to make network engineers software developers. Instead of teaching network automation, they teach you Python theory. This course is different. This course is practical. I won't talk about programming in abstract terms and make you wait before you can start automating networks. I will show you how you can quickly and easily start network programming by using GNS3, Cisco IOS, and Python. You will see demonstrations of the configuration of both Cisco routers and switches in GNS3. For example, how to configure multiple VLANs on multiple switches, or how to configure OSPF on a router, and more. This course shows you practical examples of using Python to programmatically configure Cisco network devices rather than just talking about it. The days of configuring Cisco networks only with the command line interface, CLI, are drawing to a close. You need to add network programmability using Python and APIs to your skill set. Learn how to automate networks using 1. Telnet, 2. SSH, 3. Paramiko, 4. Netmiko, 5. Napalm. Tools such as Napalm and Netmiko make it easy to configure and interact with network devices using an API such as netconf or using SSH. Don't reinvent the wheel. Use the tools available to you to quickly and easily automate your networks. Who this Python Learning for Network Engineers course is for: 1. Network engineers. 2. Learn Python Learning for Network Engineers. 3. Network architects. 4. If you are interested in network automation. 5. If you are interested in network programmability. 6. Anyone wanting to learn how to apply Python programming to network automation. What will I learn? 1. Learn network programmability with GNS3 and Python version 3. 2. Learn how to automate the configuration of network devices with Python. 3. Learn how to leverage Napalm for network automation. 4. Use Netmiko for SSH connections to routers and switches. 5. Quick start guide using Telnet and SSH. Get started in 20 minutes. 6. Learn how to scale your network scripts. And the requirements for this course are: 1. Basic networking knowledge, CCNA level. 2. Basic understanding of GNS3.